Fourth generation HIV test. Is it the best HIV testing method? Hello guys, it's Mark Medicals with the latest on HIV cure news, treatment of HIV, HIV symptoms, and HIV transmission. In this video, you will learn more about the following. 1. Latest types of HIV tests. 2. What is the fourth generation HIV test? 3. HIV fourth generation test window period. 4. Are fourth generation HIV tests accurate? Alright, here we go, guys. 1. Latest types of HIV tests. It's always good to know what kind of HIV testing methods are available at your disposal before deciding on what you shall use. This is because some testing kits are very accurate compared to others, and also, some few tests take the longest time to return your results. There are 3 classes of HIV testing kits that are commonly used worldwide to test for the virus. These are NAT testing kits. These are also called HIV RNA, an example being PCR testing kits. This type of test look at the actual viral proteins, i.e. HIV RNA or the proviral DNA. Fourth generation HIV tests. After your exposure and unfortunately infected, your body recognizes the virus after 2 weeks by identifying HIV antigens. Around the 4th week, your body responds by producing antibodies to fight against the virus. Fourth generation is testing kits that detect both HIV antigens and antibodies. Antibody-only rapid tests. They are the testing kits designed to detect only HIV antibodies. Antibodies are chemicals your body produces in response to certain infections, HIV inclusive. 2. What is the fourth generation HIV test? Also known as combo testing kits, fourth generation kits that detect both HIV antibodies and HIV antigens. These tests are the first go-to test in developed countries, as opposed to developing countries where the option could be antibody-only rapid tests, also known as third generation kits. 3. HIV fourth generation test window period. HIV window period is the time from exposure to the time when a certain testing kit can detect your HIV with the highest accuracy. All the types of testing kits have different window periods. Some tests have the longest period as a window period, while others have a very shorter window period. Always be sure to tell the truth, because you want your doctor to use the best test depending on how long you had the exposure. Fourth generation has the second short window period of 14 to 45 days. HIV RNA window period is from 10 to 33 days, while antibody-only rapid tests have the longest window period of 30 to 90 days. 4. Are fourth generation HIV tests accurate? According to UK guidelines, fourth generation HIV testing kits are used as the baseline, and it is recommended not to test again if you test negative within 45 days. This implies that fourth gen tests are very accurate only when you test it after 45 days. In third generation kits are the only ones available in your country. Accurate results will be obtained from 90 days onwards. If you want to know your HIV status secretly in the comfort of your bedroom, go for Rockwood HIV testing kits. You just need to rub the test apparatus against your gums and get your results in minutes. Positive results from Rockwood home testing kits should be confirmed only in the hospital. Early HIV testing helps in starting HIV treatment very early in case you tested positive. If you are on treatment for HIV with undetectable viral load, the risks of HIV transmission to your loved ones are close to 0. That being said, if you want to know if you have HIV type 1 or type 2, watch our video about 5th generation HIV kits on this channel.